Which credit card suits you best? Cashback or rewards? Picking the right card can be tricky. But don't worry, we'll make it easy. Cashback cards are designed to reward you for your everyday spending. Use your card for groceries, gas, or a new phone and get a percentage back. For example, if you spend 50,000 rupees a month and with a 1% cashback card, you get 500 rupees back. Different cards offer different cashback amounts and are great if you like simple savings. Rewards cards give you points for every rupee you spend. These points accumulate over time, allowing you to redeem them for a variety of benefits. You can use these points for travel, shopping, or other perks like airport lounge access, free travel insurance, and help with making travel plans. So, which card should you choose? It depends on how you spend and what you want. Are you someone who loves to save on everyday purchases? If so, a cashback card might be your best bet. But if you like to travel, shop, or get rewarded for spending, you might want to consider a rewards card. Remember, no matter which card you choose, it's important to use it responsibly. Spend wisely, pay your bills on time, and avoid unnecessary debt. By doing so, you'll keep your credit score healthy and enjoy the benefits of your chosen card without any stress. So, are you Team Cashback or Team Rewards? Tell us in the comments. For more financial insights, visit Crednow.